In the last class, we have studied that amoeba, it is very microscopic as well as the single-celled organism which perform holozoic nutrition. So today we will study about the steps of the holozoic nutrition. In amoeba, a rounded dense nucleus is present. This is the nucleus of the amoeba. It's a structure of the amoeba. It doesn't have well defined structure. So anytime you can make and draw any structure and you will put the name amoeba. Okay. So but the main important thing is what the structure is very round. That is known as nucleus. And one more thing is what constantly change its shape and position. This amoeba, it is continuously, it is going to change its position and shape. So these are two important things. And in the side of this is what it is, the cytoplasm, and it has finger like projections. These are known as pseudopodias. So what are the steps in amoebic nutrition? There are 5 steps involved here. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, as well as the egestion. So one by one we will study about all these 5 steps. So first is what? It is ingestion. Ingestion means what? Taking inside the food inside. Okay. So what will happen? This is amoeba and it has the pseudopodias. With the help of the pseudopodia, these are the pseudopodias. With the help of the pseudopodias, it will engulf, it will take in this food particle inside of the inside of its body. So what is ingestion? Food is captured by pseudopodia. The food become trapped inside. So with the help of the pseudopodia, the food is going to trapped inside. Here in this particular diagram, you can look at here that pseudopodia, they are helpful to engulf the food inside. So ingestion is what? Taking the food inside. Second one step is digestion. Digestion is what? Digestive juices are mixed with the food in the vacuole, and digestive juices break down the food into simple substances. So this particular food particle, it is going to break down with the help of the digestive juices in process digestion. Next one is absorption. What is absorption? Gradually the digested food is taken in by the body, which is a single cell. So what will happen? That particular food particle, it is going to break down with the help of the digestive system in above steps, and now that particular food, it is going to mix with the cell, because it has only single cell. Amoeba, it contains only single cell. So the important nutrients are going to mix in this particular single cell of the amoeba. Next step is assimilation. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance, and multiplication. So the important nutrients, they will give important role here in case of the amoeba for the growth, maintenance, as well as the multiplication. Next is egestion. So what happened in egestion case? Undigested residue food is expelled by the vacuole. So these are the 5 steps. First we will start from here. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, as well as the egestion. These are the 5 steps which are going to involve in case of the holozoic nutrition. So this is your homework. First, these 2 questions you have solved yesterday. Now 2 more questions are here. So what is your homework? Your homework, what is holozoic nutrition? These 3 questions are in the category short answers. Give 2 example of organism which perform holozoic nutrition. Third one, write 5 steps of holozoic nutrition, and long answer, you will draw diagram also, and you will explain all the 5 steps also. Explain holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.